Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find users and accounts. Then let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly. And tap on next. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can tap on them and learn more, and then tap on I agree after reading. So here we've got the backup and storage info, the shortcut, so just tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course we can also remove it whenever we want to. Just tap on it, tap on the three dots icon and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.